Hi, hello friends. Today we have discussing complete spoken English course. How to learn a spoken English easily in 21 days. Okay? Complete watch this video. I can explain the complete spoken English course easily learning. First one, simple sentence formation. Example, one sentence. I learn English. I learn English. In this sentence, this called subject. This is verb. I is called subject. Learn is verb. English is the object. Okay. One sentence is formation. One sentence is formation. These are three conditions apply. Okay. Three types of words. Subject, verb, object is called sentence formation. Sentence formation. First, we will discuss about how to form the sentence. How to form the sentence. How to form this sentence. In this sentence is called I learn English. I is the letter. I is letter. Alphabets lo one of the letter is I. Learn. Learn is the word. I is I. Alphabet lo one of the letter. Learn is the word. Word means it's combination of letters. I is one of the letter. 26 capital alphabets. In this, I is one of the word. Learn is the word. Word and is word means combination of letters. I, E, A, R, and is the letters. And after that, I learn English. I learn English is mean this called sentence. Sentence. Sentence means it's combination of words. It's combination of words. Sentence means it's combination of words. I is the letter. Learn is word. Words is combination of letters. 5 letters is the combination of word. Sentence means words combination. Words combination is called sentences. So in this video, spoken English course learning, first we have learn letters. First we have learn letters. So first we can learn the letters. Letters like alphabets. Bets like A, B, C, D, E, F, Z. These are the letters. And second word day we learn words. Words like words. For example, Raju. It is the combination of letters. R, A, J, U, Raj. It's called words. Okay. English is called word. Eat is word. It's called word. After that second, third stage, we can discuss sentence formation. Sentence formation. Sentence formation like I learn English. Next, I eat apple. This is called sentence formation. In this sentence is called I means subject, learn, where this object. So in fourth today we can learn subjects. Subjects are I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These are the 7 subjects in the total entire English. Only 7 subjects. Next fifth day we are discussing about verbs. Verbs like action of the subject. Action of the subject like eat. Eat means eating biryani, eating apple, eating, eat, drink, take, pay, like etc. These are the verbs. Sentence formation means like subject, verbs, objects. So complete how to sentence formation. Example, sentence formation. Subject, verb, object is called is sentence formation. Sentence formation is called sentence formation. After that sentence formation, we will discuss this part of the spoken English is the fifth part. After that, we can discuss about tense. Tense. Very most important subject in the spoken English classes. 70% English in tense depends on tense. 70% English depends on tenses. After that, we can discussing about part of speech. Part of speech. Part of speech. Like what is the part of speech? According these words words are divided into 8 kinds of their functions, like called part of speech. Words are divided into 8 kinds. According their functions is called part of speech. It's called noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. These called are part of speeches. After that is we are discussing about articles. Articles A and D. These are the articles. We are discussing about this. And also discussing about helping verbs. Helping verbs. Completely spoken English is 21 days is completed. This is the basic information class. Next chapter, day 2 class, uploading tomorrow. Okay. If you like this video, like and share, comment. Thank you.